Māniaroa te whānau, ngamahi o te tauhau Pākehā 2024. I hope you all return back healthy, happy and rested from the holidays. We're just doing a bit of an update here for Te Nehenehenui. We have our hui ā-iwi coming up on February the 17th. It starts at 9:30 for the whakatau at Māniaroa. So we look forward to having you all there. Another piece of an update we wanted to provide is that our grants system is up and running on the website. So if you want to go take a look, if you have any pātai, feel free to go online and have a look and send us some messages and notes. Other than that, we also have the Rōpū Rangatahi program coming up, which is running from the 16th through to the 18th, also being held at Māniaroa. We look forward to connecting up with our Rangatahi Rōpū on one of our final hui of the sessions that we've been running for the last year. I hope you're all well, take care of yourselves, and we'll see you on February 17th.